Now I am leaving Singapore to Xi'An on my second solo trip of the year. This is the first time actually I bring out this big luggage for a long flight. Usually I just backpack. So now I'm at Kunming Airport, for my transit to Xi'an. It's a little bit confusing because you need to like check out and then go up level 3 to check in again to board the plane again. So I got a little bit confused and I was asking around and I realized that, oh my god, my Chinese really, no, not my Chinese, my Mandarin is I mean, after talking to so many of my Chinese clients, I thought like it has improved, right? I mean, it did improve, but it's a little bit difficult. So now I'm at Changi. When I was here, everything is in Chinese, so I was like, so I asked like, what should I order? And then she's like, there's only 2 choices right now because it's at 6 AM here. So I just decided to try the, what's this? Xi'An Sigu. Some cereal yellow milk tea. Yeah.哦，是我了吗？对不起，谢谢。
凉表面、绿旗子面、油泼面。凉表面、绿旗子、油泼面。
今天有一个身份证文件，身份证文件出来，身份证拿回去。在那个
This is Biang Biang. I had it in Singapore.
花街坊的。
Apparently it's a Xi'an thing.
在那个啥太白里腰儿。
I took the 4 combination. So the meat, the sauce, the veggie. To be honest, I have no idea what meat is that. But apparently, they have a lot of lamb here. I think Biang Biang is one of the specialty. Then they have another one like the 肉夹馍. And they have the 泡馍 also. I have no idea what is it. I will eat one by one. So along the road, right, while walking over here, I see a lot of girls wearing pantsu and all. Not sure where it's good. Thinking if I should give it a shot. I thought it's some drinks, but I didn't know what is it called. I think it's Hong. Let me see. I'll find out. Hong Zao Bing Fen. Hong Zao Bing Fen. Hong Zao is red tape. Bing Fen, I have no idea.
我都睡了24小时了。
啊，所以你这中午不睡了？
I have no idea.
我刚刚没到，还用。
I think one is like
我给你说，你拿啥用？
山楂。
把筷子锁着点。你弄没给你用了。
Jelly is like some Irish jelly kind of thing. So okay, little rice bits and some barley. And we have like sanza.
City wall includes the sluice gate tower, the archery tower, the gate tower, the moon city, the
Chat ticket.
the watch tower, the buttress wall, the
票，本店选择永分北口。参观景区的游客，请在此先行。
I think it's very important to understand the Xi'An city wall is not a short walk. So I've been walking since like 4 p.m. 1.5 hours. I only walk like 2 kilometers in like one side of the wall. You have like 4 sides, right? So 1.5 hours for one side, and I am walking non-stop. So alternatively, what you can do is you can rent a bike. I think it makes better sense than walking. But I mean, I like walking and it's relaxing for me. So I don't see it's an issue. But if you want to finish like all 4 sides of the wall, then of course cycling will make a better choice.
车辆停，请注意安全，请注意车辆。车辆停，请注意安全，请注意车辆。车辆停。
去过我问完了，肯定是。
前方左转到北院门。
就是叫回民街吗？啊，对，回民街。肉夹馍来几个了？肉夹馍。
So I'm eating this lamb innards vermicelli soup. I want to order a bigger one, but then the Jia say too big, too much for me. So she recommended me this. To be honest, I have absolutely no idea what I'm eating. What parts is it? What is it? I have no idea. Like, please enlighten me, what is this? What's this? I'm going to show you what I'm here for. This is what I'm here for. Very good.